Randall M. Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Randall M here. Today is Thursday, December 27th, 2018 AD. Got a little unwrapping and unboxing video for you. Our garbage disposal, our garbage blocker, when it goes down the sink, had worn out on both sides, so Mom got two things. Let's see what it says here. Okay, garbage disposal stopper. $12.48 at Lowe's. Lowe's Home Improvement. We got this basket. Sterner basket replacement spring stopper. This was $3. Well, almost $4. $3.98 plus tax. But this is about this one. And according to the receipt, it is a garbage disposal stopper. Garbage disposal basket. Stopper basket, whatever. That's what it looks like in the front. That's what it looks like on the back. Chrome finish. And this is an unboxing or unwrapping or unplasticking video. So here we go. Pretty self-orderly. Just zip it. Comes right off. Not a whole lot to it. It's very fancy. I seen that case for Kmart, which I thought was kind of interesting. There she got it. Maybe it's just their brand, but it looks like Kmart K. Yeah. See, there. But it's very nice. I mean, it looks very professional, high end. So, there you go. Just comes apart. Ooh, okay. Huh, it rotates. And you can push it in. Huh. I'll have to read the instructions on how to. Well, there you go. There's my first unwrapping video for today. Thanks for watching. Every day. God bless.